So Launchpad, like what Yusri also said earlier, now music has not just the language, it doesn't conquer the boundary. So why we are also doing this launchpad is because offline performance and experience are getting tougher for us. So what we are doing is this is what we do. But also to cover the industry gaps and also to make sure things is better. We also partner for Spotify Entertainment and Sony Music has actually also partnered together to create a digital growth platform as well. So what does a digital growth platform do is basically we work with content creators and then before the artist actually comes out to perform to a certain country, we will actually put them in this YouTube channel, all these content creators to generate different content, to promote themselves first, to showcase to fans that has never seen them before, on who they are and introduce them to this new group of fans and then we build them together. So in short, it's a whole ecosystem of digital promotion and then offline performance and promotion.
Kita akan buat juga macam Faris kata, kita akan buat digital content dengan artis-artis semua ni lah. Dan digital content lebih senang kerana tak payah logistik banyak sangat kan. Kita buat syuting tapi kita boleh melibatkan artis. So dalam satu konten boleh ada artis Korea, artis Malaysia, artis Sur, dan kita boleh buat mereka dalam scenario yang lain. For example sekarang Kiras kat Malaysia. Dan kita akan shoot konten Kiras pergi makan di Malaysia dan lepas tu Uprise dia datang Malaysia juga kan. Dan so kita nak expose for example Malaysia punya tourism, kita nak expose Malaysia punya culture di Vietnam. Jadi Uprise akan bawa culture ni di Vietnam. Lepas tu kalau kita pergi Vietnam live.
Right. So in every country, we will actually curate it to the market itself. Because that's the reason also we work together with Sony Music is because they have the regional artist roster. We can also match to curate the show.
So dia summary dia macam ni. So dia macam kita buat fan meeting dan konsert. Tapi kita buat setiap negara di Southeast Asia. Example kita buat kat Malaysia, yang ni media lah. Tapi kalau kita buat satu fan meeting kat sini, kita akan bawa artis dari luar negara, dari Southeast Asia datang sini. Dia macam fan meeting tapi ada beberapa artis, bukan satu artis saja. Dan kita nak promote artis dari Southeast Asia dengan dari Korea juga. So example kita akan buat di Vietnam. Bila kita buat launchpad di Vietnam, kita akan bawa artis dari Malaysia, kita akan bawa artis dari Indonesia ke atau Thailand ke, kita akan bawa ke Vietnam dengan Vietnam punya artis dan Korea punya. So kita akan bawa launchpad ni ke setiap negara di Southeast Asia. Dia macam dan launchpad ni actually satu brand yang kita nak establish, tapi dia akan jadi satu network yang konsisten lah di beberapa negara. Oh banyak. Kalau South Korea tu kita Harris, kerana Harris ni dia memang Fast Track ni specialist dengan South Korean punya artis. Dan mereka punya actually background Fast Track Entertainment, mereka buat artist management dengan booking dengan Korea punya artis. Jadi dulu BTS punya booking pun dia buat. Dari dulu. Jadi dia punya contact memang semua Korean artis. Jadi dalam roster kita memang kita ada satu roster yang ramai Korean artis yang akan kita buat dan bawa kepada setiap negara yang lain. Dan lepas tu kita akan shortlist artis dari Malaysia, berapa kita nak bawa artis dari Indonesia, Thailand. Lepas tu kita buat mix and match lah. Di Thailand kalau kita buat kat Bangkok, kita buat 3-4 artis yang lain, tapi mesti ada host country punya artis. Tengok Yusri tu rock, bukan KRU tapi Yusri kita bawa rock. Ya, jadi ada yang ada group, ada yang solo, mungkin kita bawa hip hop, rap, kita boleh bawa apa-apa artis boleh. Yang pentingnya kita nak promote artis baru ni ke luar negara.
How many times you can do it in a year? Yeah, so that's actually also how many countries each time we do. So it's a touring circuit that we're working on. Right now we are looking at least 3 tours a year. at least three. Each time, at least 3 to 4 countries.
The original that we are planning but belum confirmed is Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam.
We will announce it as we but check out our social media, but we will announce it slowly. But then the thing is, tentatively, is end of this year lah. There's no accidentally say out.
Promote every country punya artist in different countries. Headquarters. Actually, there's no headquarters. So this is a partnership between Fast Track, which is actually a Singaporean company, but publicly listed in the US, and partnership with Sony Music Malaysia. Fast Track punya office Singapore. Sony Music Malaysia punya artist kat Malaysia. But Launchpad is a brand that we created, but there is no HQ.
It's not a company. Launchpad is a brand that Sony Music and Fast Track Entertainment came up with. Yeah.
It's not a company, it's a brand.
Yeah.